Hello, this is Cliff Snedeker. Ever since we came out with our 5 popular profiles of steel transition molding, probably about a decade ago, we have been asked for a 1-inch offset steel transition molding that you can use on all of your projects. Well, I'm happy to say 1-inch offset steel transition molding is now available, and I'm going to show you a video on that new product. But before we do, if you like our YouTube videos, if you like our channel, if you want to be notified of new videos, new techniques, new industry topics, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and leave comments because we love to interact with our viewers. So, without further ado, here's 1-inch steel transitions.
So here we're going to put up our new 1-inch steel transitions. This actually has a 9/16 flange, 1-inch elevation change. What you'll see is we literally just have a flat ceiling framed up. We capped it with a framing angle, and we're going to also show you how to do an outside corner. So this corner I cut with a metal cutting saw, the first, and then the corner that Eric has, he will overlap. And that's the proper way to miter steel angle. So typically screwing it at least every 16 inches on center for the taping flange. But if you have some areas that have a ripple, you may need to add more. That's why we have continuous framing along here. And we'll also recommend the mesh tape and a spray adhesive bonding agent.
Since we have our first piece up here that has a miter cut on it from the saw, I wanted to run my molding wild, but with this 1-inch vertical too, I kind of wanted to cap it, so I actually cut it back a little bit, put a little bend on there, so now you don't see any voids when you look through that crack. I have my angle running wild, so now I'm just going to cut its length. Then once you get that done, you may have to take your hammer, just kind of clean up this corner a little bit. So this corner ended up turning out pretty good with that piece of metal that I bent behind it. Kind of helps fill any voids that you may occur when you're putting the 2 pieces of metal together. But if you do end up with a gap, you can always use a little bit of white caulk to actually kind of touch it up, make it look good.
So we have a framing angle here. I'm going to tie it into the framing angle because we are eliminating any return framing. And any clips, we can put Burke clips on.
So the other thing about this product too, just think of the time savings. I mean, you just shaved weeks off your project by eliminating all that vertical work, and the ceiling guy can actually, you can actually push their schedule up sooner, and you can actually have the ceiling guy start their grid before the taper's even on site for the project.
We highly recommend for zero comeback, minimize your punch list items, to use a fiber mesh tape along here, a bonding agent like a spray adhesive, and you're going to minimize the cracking that could happen along between the taping flange and the drywall. But if you do this, that's going to highly minimize any cracks and callbacks that you may have.
Have you tried our 5 original profiles of steel transition molding yet? To learn more, visit armstrongceilings.com/transitions.